I'm gonna give you guys 4 tips to make money as a teenager and even going into college. One thing you can do is offering a service. Now in high school, my service was car photography, and then I went over to the OF photography. But in high school, man, I loved cars, and once I got my first car, I pretty much wanted to mod it out and also take pictures of it. But I practice on other people's cars. I'm pretty much gonna tell you guys to turn your hobby into something that you can make money off of. My thing was cars. So I was going up to people. I was offering free photo shoots for them in their cars. I met a ton of people in different fields, and it's just a great community. I'm from Jacksonville, so the car community over there is insane. So I did get a lot of business. I pretty much moved over to the OF side of things as well with the car community, is because pretty much the car community and ass cheeks in a picture is pretty much a game changer. It got me way more sales. It got me way more likes and engagement on Instagram. That's why I went ahead and transitioned into that. Once I moved into college, I ended up stopping photography all around just because the car scene over here really does suck. So like I was saying, turn your hobby into money. If you're an artist, you can do something online, draw something, do something with yourself and your art skills or whatever. You can turn any hobby into money. Now, the second thing you can do is either dog sitting, dog walking, babysitting. So if you have a neighbor or you have some friends that, are going out of town or anything like that, you can offer them to watch your dogs, or you can even offer them to house sit the place, and you can make some good money off of it. You can make even more money babysitting, but chances are they want a female to do that. So if you're a female, go ahead and try to do that. But I would stay away from that as a guy. Now, getting into more side of business. Now, my 16-year-old cousin does this, is reselling. This guy is a shoe freak. So him and his friends are all like 16, 17 years old. They're reselling shoes, and you guys can get into it. It's so easy. You can buy AirPods for really cheap and resell. You can buy shoes for really cheap and resell them. As long as you can get it for cheaper and sell it for more, you are in the green. I would do this in the beginning of my dropshipping journey, but I would do it on eBay. So I would buy these pink polo hoodies and even North Face jackets and sell them for a bunch of money. I buy them for like $60, sell them for like $300 on eBay. There's obviously some risks that come with that, so just be aware of those risks. But if you're gonna go ahead and sell real products, you can make some crazy money on that as well. Now, last but not least, I'm obviously going to tell you guys drop shipping. Now, the reason I'm going to tell you guys drop shipping, these videos are made for teenagers and young adults. You guys want to get started as early as possible. All your friends are going to be going to college. All your friends are going to be getting a job at Amazon or UPS or whatever it is that they work at. And you guys just want to get started as soon as possible. Like I said, you guys want to start that drop shipping business. Now, what drop shipping is pretty much buying something for cheap and selling it on your website. You got to learn how to market your videos. You got to learn how to do a website. You got to do a bunch of things. Now, luckily for you guys, you found my channel, and I'm offering you guys a free mentorship to start today. You don't have to worry about marketing. You don't have to worry about product research. You don't have to worry about any of that at all. All you have to do is get the website done, which I will help you guys do. Go ahead and click that link down in the description below. I'm offering you guys 20% off for the first 3 months to build this website. You don't have to worry about building the website. All you have to do is just get it in your hands, just so I can go ahead and start making it for you. Now, if you go over to the website, like I said in the description down below, it'll give you literally 4 different pages of just things to add onto your website. This website is your personal website. It's fully customizable. The great thing about it is there's always stuff getting added onto it, and it's always getting updated, so you're never missing out on anything that comes out that's new, and you don't have to go on different websites, different things, different platforms to get those things. They're all going to be on this one website. Now, I would go down to the plans. Now, for the mentorship, anything growth and above, I will give you guys a free mentorship. If you guys stick with the free, you do get a website running, but like I said, I don't offer the free mentorship from there. I do recommend, if you're just starting out, to do with the growth. That's what I started out with the growth plan. You can do monthly payments. That's personally what I do, but if you end up doing with the annual payments, you do save 25%. But I started off with the growth plan. It's helped me out a lot. And as I scaled onto my business, I moved on to the professional plan, just to optimize your websites and just maximize the sales. Now, once I went to that professional plan, my sales skyrocketed once again. And I was just like, I might as well go over to the enterprise plan. And this is where we're at today. I'm going to show you guys right now the websites that I have made in literally 10 minutes each. And I don't know if you guys understand, like 10 minutes each to make a website is insane. It's an insane amount of time. Usually it takes weeks, months, just to get a perfect website. But this gives you the perfect website in such a short amount of time. So like I said, that link will be down in the description below, 20% off for your first 3 months. So let me just go ahead and show you guys these websites. So for my very first website, let's go ahead and customize. I don't use this website anymore. I have a different brand, but it is She Glimmer, so you can have all of this unmatched benefits. So it gives you anything that you can think of on a website, you can do that. Now, if you go over to your product page, you can go and it'll give you that product page. I messed this one up because I also have a different website for this product right here, which I will show you. I love the website. That took me like less than 10 minutes, which is this right here. Let's go ahead and customize it, which is this fan right here. Everybody has seen this fan on TikTok. This is the website. The only reason this website is possible is because of the Beautify. Like, it's great. You can do this, only 7 units left right here. The different color variants, whatever. All these icons, anything that you can think of on a website, you can do. So that's why I put dropshipping in such a bigger segment in this video, because it does take more time, but you can make thousands of dollars by just doing something so simple. And like I said, I am offering a free mentorship when it comes to dropshipping. All you gotta do, like I said, hit that link down in the description below and then DM me on Instagram showing me proof. I can also see on my end, and then I want you guys to DM me on Instagram so we can get this ball rolling. That's 4 different things that you can do as a teenager / early college student. This is a great opportunity for you guys to make thousands of dollars. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.